Today we have my mother-in-law's car, Mercedes C300. I think it's an '09. Yeah, '09. And she was at a doctor appointment and came out and the hood ornament was broken off the hood. How rude. People are just unbelievable. So anyway, she had a friend whose son-in-law worked at Mercedes-Benz and got a factory original replacement. So to get the old base off, this is what you see underneath, and what you have to do is grab this part and rotate it about 90 degrees counterclockwise. So we did that with the pliers, and this is what you get. And I can lift off the remaining base, and then putting the new one on is just the reverse procedure. When you're putting the new one on, just be aware there's these little keyways here and here that fit into grooves in the hood. And also when you're pushing the new clip on, I did have to use the screwdriver to get it initially on the base, and now this part needs to be twisted 90 degrees to the right. Turned out to be a little trickier getting it on than it was getting it off. So there's these little plastic or nylon kind of caps that go on here, and when you're trying to get it up there, they just keep falling off. And also, to get the clip started before you even twist it, I did have to take a needle nose and you know where the tabs are, before I got this far. Like just getting it, and I'm gonna show you. Just to initially get it started, I had to take the needle nose and pry one side, because there's these little pins, these little things stick out. Anyway, you'll figure it out if you're doing it yourself. Just kind of grab one side and pry it a little bit open to get it started on here, and then you twist it 90 degrees and it will lock into these areas right here. Lock it down. So all in all, about a 10-15 minute job, start to finish. Not too bad.